Meaning of gee whiz.
Gee whiz.
Gee whiz.
Gee whiz.
Gee whiz. Gee whiz is an informal expression used to express surprise or admiration in a childlike, innocent way. The phrase originated in the United States in the early 1900s and is often associated with the era of comic books and superhero culture. It is used as an exclamation of amazement or excitement, and suggests wide-eyed wonderment at something unexpected or impressive. The term has evolved to become a playful and light-hearted way of expressing delight or astonishment, often with a touch of nostalgia or whimsy. Overall, it conveys a sense of childlike enthusiasm and innocent charm.